rainy, cloudy, snowy, sunny, thermometer, temperature, hot, warm, lukewarm, cool, cold, freezing, foggy, windy, dry, wet, icy, autumn, fall, spring, winter, summer, 2 degree, meteorology, humidity, precipitation, hail, rainbow, radar, flood, dry season, thunder, weather, forecast, blizzard, lightning, thunderstorm, tornado, hurricane, earthquake, typhoon.
It is Tuesday, June 12th. I'm meteorologist Quaylin Murphy with your tropics update for the Atlantic Basin. That includes the Gulf, Caribbean Sea, and the Atlantic Ocean. We'll take a look at the Gulf of Mexico first, and we don't have a whole lot of action over the Gulf. A few showers and storms developing both offshore near the Florida Panhandle, also around southeast Louisiana. And that's occurring with a stationary front that's through the central United States, producing some shower and storm action. Some drier air through parts of the Gulf of Mexico, mainly on the western side, and then in the southern Gulf, closer to the Yucatan Peninsula, seeing some showers and storms. Very disorganized with the tropical wave that's located here closer to the Yucatan Peninsula. Focusing on right now the Caribbean Sea, that's where we have some showers and storms. Very disorganized tropical wave around the Cayman Islands, also closer to Jamaica. We're seeing some cloud blow off there, pushing up towards Cuba, along with some showers and moisture pushing over Cuba and also into parts of Florida. This is an area being monitored by the National Hurricane Center for potential development. Notice that development in the next 5 days, only 20%, so a rather low chance. The disturbance continues over the western Caribbean Sea. We do expect that disturbance again, a very disorganized area of low pressure to move west-northwest over the next few days. That'll put it over the Yucatan Peninsula, then over the Gulf, and then likely carrying that low towards Mexico or even southern Texas. Regardless of whether or not we see development, what the chances are low, we're going to see some moisture working into the Gulf, and that may enhance our rain chances for the weekend. The good news with that potential for development being low is because of the wind shear in the upper levels. That's what these dark blue colors indicate. So lots of wind shear even through Thursday, continuing for the Gulf, also over the Yucatan Peninsula. What will not be stunted, though, is the moisture. This is our tropical moisture map here, and where you start to see the dark orange and red colors, that indicates that increase in moisture over the Gulf. So that happens through Friday. It goes through the weekend as well. So that will bring some enhanced rainfall potential from Texas, also into Louisiana. This is Sunday afternoon, and notice those dark orange shades do encompass portions of southeast Louisiana, which is why we're keeping rain chances elevated through the weekend right now, 40 to 50% on Saturday and then up to 70% on Sunday. Notice by Monday evening, lots of that moisture backing off to the west and some drier air taking over. It's really going to be a matter of where that plume of moisture sets up over the Gulf of Mexico. That will determine how much rainfall we get this weekend. Here's the forecast model through Sunday afternoon. Purple shades indicating between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain. Blue shades indicating 1/2 or 1.5 inches of rain. So this won't be a great rainmaker for the area, but enough to keep us soggy through the weekend. The Atlantic Ocean is quiet as well. High pressure continues to build out there. That's not conducive for tropical development. So quiet over the Atlantic Ocean. The Pacific is making a lot of noise right now with Hurricane Bud, a Category 4 hurricane, winds of 130 miles per hour. You can see this off the coast of Mexico. Puerto Vallarta seeing a lot of rainfall with this system, along with gusty winds. The system will move to the north in the coming days. By the weekend, likely a post-tropical system, but notice that center close to the Baja of California and over parts of Mexico, which means a concern for some mudslides and flooding in that region as well. That's the latest on the tropics. Thanks for joining us here online at WDSU.com.